right, y'all. Welcome to today's episode. Welcome back to the juice box. Today we're out in the garage with the Grom. Don't worry, I just took the seat off because I was curious. But today we're going to be installing a few different, very important, very, very cool things. Mobbers. Yeah, we're going to get some tires on. Or I'll give up and take them to a shop, and future editing me will laugh at myself. We're gonna open up this box. So we're gonna open the box. I don't wanna show you all my address neither. Can you tell what those are? Fucking Handguards, hell yeah. We're gonna install this from the future. It sounds really, really bad. Nah, I'm just kidding. It sounds fucking tits. So stay tuned. That's pretty awesome. And then a few other things like an intake and I don't know. It's actually Thursday. I was planning on recording this on Saturday, but I got some parts in and I'm just fucking excited. So let's do it to it. Sound check. Oh yeah, immediately better.
A few moments later. Carbon fiber, and then more carbon fiber.
All right, that's cool.
What up, y'all? It is Monday, the 3rd of April. Welcome to April. I think this is a continuation of the earlier vid. We were working on the Grom. We're gonna continue doing that. You know, we got the Grom. Grom's here. I do have a replacement, a tail tidy. I've got some lights for the front. I've done integrated turn signals. They'll just be like little doodads here. I'll just show you. These little guys. You ain't gotta worry about these little guys. But what I actually want to do today, since it came in, is install the new air intake and the ECU, which is here. So this is stage 1 flashed by DHM. for a Chimera intake and an aftermarket exhaust without the baffle in. Very important, actually. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, I identified where the stock ECU is. It sits kind of, I don't want to put the thing on, but it sits right here. So I took this cover off and I'll get a pry apart. There, it's not even that hard. I make a quick release, it looks like. Or, wait, is it you just pull it? Tell me your secrets. What's the problem here? Something. Oh, I didn't pull it enough. That's stock ECU. Oriented the way I just pulled it out. So that way, push it back in, lock her down, put the cap back on, and she should be ready to rip, tater chip. So let's get this back on here. I said let's get that back on there. That way, I can reinstall it here. All right, that's how you do it, folks. Before I put it all back together, might as well make sure, you know, we do a sound check of the new intake. Actually, let me throw some 93 in here, because I bet you this has 87 in it. Probably wait. I'll tell you. Oh, what was I gonna tell you? I don't know, I lost my train of thought. Oh, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for this ECU to actually set in. So we're not really gonna notice any power difference in the first, I don't know, 5 minutes of riding. Or even just sitting here at idle. Ooh. Probably don't need to run 91 since it's only stage 1, but just have it. Oh. I'm at 93 anyways. And that's all I got to say about that.